Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set caller tune for specific contacts on the Vivo Y200. To do that, just open the contacts app on your smartphone. Now just tap on a contact which is saved on your smartphone. Just like that. Now just scroll down and tap on contact ringtones. Now you can select the specific ringtone for this contact. For an example, we will select this one. Now once you select the ringtone, just tap on OK. Just like that. And this is how you can set caller tune for specific contacts on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.